Hey guys, welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to really easy and quickly import a car into Roblox. First of all, you obviously need a car. In my case I did it myself, so I have to export it into an FBX or a wavefront file. If you can't model cars on your own, be sure to download the car in the right file or downloading for example the Blender file and exporting it into the right file on your own. To export the car into an FBX or wavefront file, we head on here to File, Export and choose in this example FBX and saving the file somewhere where we can find it later on. So the next step is to open up Roblox Studio. Go on to My Games and open up the world where you want to import your car. In my case it's this one, so click on it. Once everything has loaded in, we can move to Home and press on Import 3D. Then you have to find the file of your car and open it. In this new window we can deselect Upload to Roblox because I don't want to have all the files I upload in my toolbox. Then you should select Anchored so the car won't fall apart once we load the game. And in my case I need to open up File Geometry and change the scale unit from stat to millimeter so the car has the real life size. The last thing we have to do is to press on import and simply wait a couple of seconds until the car is finally imported. From here on you can also color your car and use it in your games. I hope I could help you. If so, consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!